Hello, and welcome to Dark Age Growing, a YouTube channel trying to help people be more self-sustainable in uncertain times. This video is about the useful properties of the dead nettle plant. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like more videos like this one, giving details about herbs, edible weeds, and plants to forage. In my yard, purple dead nettle is probably the most common weed I have to deal with. And because it's part of the mint family, it's very invasive. Now, don't take anything I say as medical advice, and be sure to do more research before using it for yourself. But dead nettles are known as being anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal. Their leaves have been used on external wounds and cuts, or as poultices, similar to how people use yarrow or plantain. The leaves are also edible, and chickens really like to eat them too. For my taste, I would only eat the young leaves in spring, as they're sweeter. And although I would not eat them as a primary food source, because they are diuretic and can give you diarrhea, in small quantities, they're not too bad. Please subscribe, and remember to click the bell so you don't miss the next informative video that comes out on this channel.